Alright, so this past weekend I headed down to Dipolog because I was bored and wanted to get some mango shakes and see a beautiful sunset. And this clip is actually from that extended series, which I'll publish at some point. And again, it just goes to underscore the natural musical ability in the Philippines. You see this all over the place. This woman is really good. Check it out and enjoy. And in case I don't publish anything before Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays to everybody out there in YouTube land. Enjoy. Do that voodoo that you do so well.
It's okay. I will not be with the cat.
Yeah, you don't have to. Take a shy.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I've got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one that my life has found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I'll love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. Ooh, la 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 la. You look so beautiful in white tonight.
You ain't nothing nice, girl. You ain't nothing nice. Seriously, that's awesome. Thank you so much.